Hello friends, welcome back to Netcode. Today we are going to continue with Flutter Basics 4. So we are going to create our own app. So let's get started. So home and then text. Text and then text and then we need to write the text here. So I'm going to write Flutter. So this is the text widget. So this one is the text widget, and then this is the first run in the main here. So Flutter. So click on this. So first, so actually this is so click on, if you click on hot reload, you can make it, but I already tested, so I need to click on this restart. So now we created a Flutter app, a Flutter text, but this app doesn't look like a real app. So we need to do is enter Scaffold. So Scaffold, select this. So now we see / material app. It's because now we created a scaffold with no errors. So if you see this / material app, that means we created but with no errors. So and then click on, first I forgot one thing. So make sure there is a comma in them. So there will be no gray. So this, and then we need to create an app bar. So app app and then B with capital letter and then app bar. So you need to do is, now you need to do is an capital letter A and then app and then a capital letter B and then AR. So and then this one app bar. So now we created an app bar. So let's see. So there is an error. That's why there is like this. So there is a warning or an error. So I didn't see anything, the error. So let's just continue. So and then we need to write a text, a title. So title and then text. The text is about, and then text is app bar text. So there is a comma in them and in this. So there the error is gone. So there is an error because I didn't use this one. So click on this green icon, restart. So let's see. So if it is restarted, it will, on debug console, it will say restarted application. So now we created an app bar text. So but we don't need the app bar text. is not a simple app. We are going to create the original app. So I'm going to use log my app name. So my app's name is Net Society. So now let's restart. So it's done. So Net Society. So now we are going to create a text. So go to app bar and then we need to write a body. And the body is text. The text, and then the text will be sign or login. So let's restart. So now we saw a login. So we can write anything we want. So I'm going to add, but I don't want just this. So let's add a container. So like this. So and then we need to cut this, Control X. So now, now if we don't want a container, we can just remove it. And so we can just remove it. Cut this. So now, so let's delete. So now let's hot reload. So our hot reload is complete. So we are going to continue with our app on next video. Goodbye.